Paid the cost to be the boss. Paid the cost to be the boss.
Now, I don't know how serious you are about your nuts, but I'm about to bust these nuts open. Pause.
Look at me.
Kacky-lacky spice nuts. We about to bust these bad boys open. Pause.
Look at me. You know what you see? See a bad mother.
When you first open these bad boys up,
Paid the cost to be the
that
boss.
spice gonna hit you. Smell amazing, but let's give them a taste and see what they're about.
Look at me. You know what you see? See a bad mother.
Not too spicy, with a mild feel. I recommend these for any function.